What if I told you you can make money online today without spending a dime? No upfront costs, no inventory, no fancy software. Most people think that you need money to make money, but that's not true. In this video, I'm revealing 5 unique ways to earn money online with zero investment. And these strategies actually work in 2025. Stay tuned to the end of this video because the last thing I'm about to mention, most people overlook, but it's the easiest way to start earning money. Let me guess, you searched for ways to make money online and all you found were scams, get rich quick schemes, or people telling you to start a business that might require money up front. That used to be me. I wasted all my time on things that did not work, but after testing different strategies, I found real ways to make money online with zero investment. And today I'm going to share that with you. And by the end of this video, you'll know 5 legit ways to make money online for free, how to start earning money online as soon as today, the biggest mistakes to avoid when working online, the best platforms to use for free to maximize your income. And stick around to the end of this video because the last method is by far the simplest way to start making money online today. Method number 1, user testing. Get paid for your opinion. Did you know that companies will pay you just to test their websites and apps? User testing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. You don't need no experience, just a phone and your computer. And here are the best free platforms for user testing. User testing pays $10 per test. Takes anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. Try My UI, get paid to review website. Userlytics, earn up to $90 per test for specialized tasks. All you do is follow simple steps and give feedback and get paid. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online with zero upfront cost. Method number 2, virtual assistant. Earn without specialized skills. If you can organize emails, schedule tasks, or basic data entry, you can start making money online as a virtual assistant. This is a huge industry. Guess what? You don't need any prior experience, just a willingness to learn. And here's where you can get virtual assistant jobs for free. Ballet and Fancy Hands work as an entry-level virtual assistant. Facebook groups, search virtual assistant jobs. And lastly, Reddit. There you can find short-term virtual assistant gigs. Businesses and entrepreneurs are constantly looking for virtual assistants. You're good at organizing, applying an email, or handling social media. This could be a great job for you. Method number 3, online transcription. Turn audio into cash. If you can type fast, transcription jobs are a great way to make money online with no investment. You listen to audio files and convert them into text. Here are the best free transcription websites. Rev.com, get paid per minute of audio transcribed. Go Transcript, no experience required, flexible hours. And Scribby pays weekly via PayPal. Faster you type, the more you earn. Some experienced transcribers earn well over $1,000 per month just doing this. Method number 4, print on demand. Make money with no inventory. Want to sell products without spending money on inventory? Print on demand lets you create custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without holding any stock. Here are the best free print on demand platforms. Redbubble, upload designs, earn commission. Teespring, also known as Spring, sell merch without upfront costs. And then Spreadsheet, create and sell designs globally. And guess what? You don't even need design skills. Canva is a free design tool to create simple text-based designs and upload them. If someone buys, the company prints and ships the product for you. You just collect the profit. Method number 5, social media content creation. Monetize your post. If you spending hours on TikTok and Instagram or YouTube Shorts, why not get paid for it? Social media platforms now offer monetization programs that pay you for creating content. Here are the best monetized platforms for free. TikTok Creator Funds pays for viral content. Instagram Reels bonus program, get paid for real views. YouTube Shorts Fund pays creators for popular shorts. You don't need any fancy editing. Just post engaging, helpful, or entertaining content and start growing an audience. Once you hit the platform's requirements, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Imagine checking your PayPal or Cash App in just a few weeks, seeing money coming in without even spending a dime. That's the power of earning money online with zero investment. If you started today, where could you be in 6 months? The biggest mistakes, most people try something for a few days, don't see instant results, and quit. Here's a solution. Pick one method and stick with it for at least 30 days. Stay consistent and keep improving. Reinvest earnings to grow your income. The people that succeed online, they stay in the game long enough to win. Which method are you going to try first? Drop a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be responding to as many comments as I can. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe button for more ways to make money online. And that's it for now. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.